In today's video, I will show you the 3 easy methods on how to change the administrator account name in Windows 11. First, go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Inside the Control Panel, go to Users Accounts and click the Change Account Type. Now click on your local administrator account and go to Change Account Name. Here you could go ahead and input the name that you want for your local administrator account. Now in the second method, right click on your Start menu and go to your Computer Management. In Computer Management, double click on local users and groups, then go to users. And here you will see all of the local users account in your computer. Just double click on the account that you want to change the name, and in the full name section, you could go ahead and type the name that you want. And when you're finished, just click apply and then OK. Now in the third and final method, go to your start menu, then type run. Type this command and then click OK. Here you can see all of the local username. Make sure you have selected the administrator account that you want to change the name, and then go to properties. In the properties, you could go ahead and change the username to whatever you like and just click apply and then OK. Remember to restart your computer every time that you change your account username or password to see the result. And that's it. Your administrator account name has now been changed successfully. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching.